Discover our anti-aging beauty secret for eyes. A treasured top seller, the unique formula dramatically reduces fine lines and wrinkles to promote smoother, tighter skin. Take a pearl-sized amount between ring fingers and gently spread around the eyes. Your ring finger applies the least amount of pressure and pull, so you won't damage any delicate areas. Press hollows just below the start of your eyebrows and gently massage product around the eyes. Then gently lift to the under-eye area and lift the eyelids from the inner corners up to the temples. In the morning, use before daytime moisturizer. At night, use as the last step of your beauty ritual. And don't forget your lips. Massage in upward motion. The formula absorbs quickly to visibly diminish dark circles, reduce puffiness, and firm the under-eye area for lasting radiance.